Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Akila Huda binti Nazir and I am a student from Eco-Technology program. I had the opportunity to carry out my STEM project at SK Teluk Adong. For this program, my project focused on piezoelectric tiles, which are a type of technology that can generate electrical energy when pressure is applied, such as from footstep or movement. Through this project, I aim to introduce students to an alternative energy concept in a simple, interactive, and engaging way. The main objective of this STEM program was to expose students to hands-on learning and real-world application of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Specifically to my project, aim to introduce students to the concept of renewable and alternative energy, help students understand how energy can be converted from motion into electricity, encourage critical thinking, curiosity, and teamwork, and also make learning fun through interactive activities and games. By combining theory, demonstration, and activities, I wanted students to see that STEM is not just about textbook, but something that exists in their everyday lives. My role in this program was as a project facilitator and also presenter. I was responsible for guiding the students for the activities and also the concept until the end of the sessions. I acted as the person explaining how piezoelectric tiles work, managing activities, interacting with the student, and also ensuring that the learning objectives were achieved throughout the program. We move on to tasks and responsibility. My tasks and responsibilities started even before the program began. I had to prepare the project materials and demonstration setup, plan the flow of the session, including explanation and activity, design quizzes and games suitable for primary school students. During the program, my responsibility included explaining the concept of piezoelectricity in simple terms, demonstrating how pressure can generate energy, and guiding students during the activities. I also needed to manage the students' attention, ensure safety, and maintain a positive and encouraging learning environment. One of the main activities was a quiz session. After explaining the concept of piezoelectric tiles, I asked the students simple questions related to what they had learned. To motivate them, I gave chocolates as reward to students who answered correctly. This approach helped increase participation as the students become more enthusiastic, confident, and eager to raise their hand and share their answers. Another activity I conducted was Dam Ula, which I adapted into an educational game. Each time a student landed on a specific box, the LED will light up, showing how piezoelectric tiles work. This activity not only made learning fun, but also reinforced their understanding of the topic throughout repetition in a playful way. Before the program started, I felt nervous and slightly anxious as I wanted everything to go according to plan. I was also worried about whether the student could understand the concept and stay engaged. However, as the session progressed, my nervousness slowly turned into excitement and confidence. Seeing the students actively participating, laughing during the games, and showing interest in the project made me feel proud and motivated. One of the biggest challenges I faced was explaining a technical concept like piezoelectric to young students using language they could understand. Another challenge was time management, especially when students become very excited during the quiz and game session. Managing their energy while keeping the session structured required focus and adaptability. And how do I overcome the challenges? I simplified my explanation by using real-life examples, demonstration, and also visual aids. Instead of focusing on technical terms, I explained the concept using situations they could relate to, such as walking or jumping. For time management, I stayed flexible and adjusted the pace of activity while ensuring that all important points were covered. Personal improvement. Through this program, I experienced significant personal improvement as I became better at public speaking, communication, and classroom management. I also learned how to adapt my teaching style based on student reaction and understanding, which helped me deliver information more effectively. Self-development. This experience contributed greatly to my self-development as I became more confident I became more confident in leading groups, making decisions, and solving problems on the spot. It also strengthened my leadership skills and increased my awareness of how STEM education can inspire young students when presented in a fun and meaningful way. As a conclusion, the STEM program at SK Teluk Gadong was a valuable and meaningful experience for me. Through the piezoelectric task project, interactive quizzes, and games like Damula, I was able to deliver STEM concepts in an engaging way and impactful way. This program not only enhanced my technical knowledge but also helped me grow personally and professionally. I am truly grateful for this opportunity and will apply the skills and lessons I gained in my future endeavors. That's all from me. Thank you.